Who is that?
Elsa.
That's Elsa, right?
Oh.
Who else is in there?
Anna. And Hans.
You've got all of them. Oh my goodness.
And Kristoff. And a reindeer.
Wow, Rosie.
And Ola.
Wow, you've got all the characters. Isn't that amazing?
But how it doesn't stand?
He doesn't stand. I think he stands there. There. Kristoff and his reindeer. And Anna and Elsa. What is that smell you smell? Chocolate.